In this video, we are going to learn the process of finding the probability using the using a z-score in fact. So you are performing a study about the weight of high school students. A previous study found the weights are normally distributed with a mean of 160 pounds, standard deviation of 10 pounds, and let x is equal to the weight of a high schooler. Now, what is the probability of that weight of the high schooler is at least 175 pounds. Okay. So, this is the formula for Z we have here. Let us make use of this formula. Identify what is our X, mu and sigma. Substitute and let us evaluate. Okay. So, he is saying this is the mean, right? Mean, that is mu is equal to 160 pounds. Then standard deviation, the symbol for standard deviation is here, see? Standard deviation is sigma, mean is the mu, right? Standard deviation is 10. Variable of interest, that is x. The value of x is 175 pounds, or given in pounds in fact, and the z-score. Okay, so let us do that. Z is equal to, substitute the values, x, that is 175 minus 160 divide 10 pounds it was, right? I'll just remove, divide by 10. So let us simplify. It's very easy, right? I don't need calculator right now. 175 minus 160, that is 15 divided 10. 15 divided 10 is 1.5 in decimal form. Usually we round this z-score up to 2 decimals. In this case only 1.5 you have, so you can even write 1.50. Right, so that is the value of z. Now that z-score corresponding to what is the probability, we have to find it from this cumulative probability table, right? It is 1.50. See, I have my z chart here. It is starting from 0, positive values on one page, negatives on the other side you have. Here I just snipped a part of the chart. You see this is 0.0, etc. 1.0, 1.5. 1.5 and the column is, like I said, 1.5 and then 0. So I will just go to this number here, right? Very easy. 1.5 under this 0, correct? And this is the number 0.9332. I am looking for that number 0.9332. That is the corresponding value in the chart. That is how much? 0.9332, right? 0.9332. So this is telling me that this, out of the total area under the chart, which is equal to 1.0000, this number 175 occurs at this point. That is somewhere this side over here, it is 175 pounds you will see. But you are trying to find what is the chance of finding that 175 or greater than that. Did you see the word here? It is saying at least, correct? So at least 175 pounds. So anything above that 175, exactly equal to 175 or greater than 175. I have to find the probability of getting a number which is greater than or equal to 175. So this number is giving me everything up to 175. All the way up to 175, right? Less than or equal to 175 got. So, but I'm looking for the other side. So how am I going to get that number? I'll just have to do the subtraction. Just remember, whenever I'm trying to find the greater, I have to subtract, take it away from 1. So 1 minus 0.9332 gives you how much? 0. Let's just use calculator. Alright. So it is 1 minus 0.9332. That gives me 0.668. Right? 0.0668. 0.0668. That is the probability of finding a student whose weight is at least 175 pounds. And as a percentage, how do you get the percentage from this? Just multiply by 100 to give you 6.68%. This is the probability of finding a student whose weight is above 175. Let me see if I have a graph for you. Yes, this is the graph that explains. So you have a mean of 160, right, with a standard deviation of 10, 160 plus 10, 170, etc. Now this is 175. And this side, what was the area you got just now? It was 0.0668, I think, right? 0.06, yeah, that is your value point, and the percentage is 6.68. This side, this whole thing is talking about the weight of the high school students normally distributed with the mean of 160, standard deviation of 10, and this is the probability of finding a student whose weight is greater than or equal to 175 pounds. Okay, nice. Thank you.